Hello guys, hope you guys all are having a wonderful evening. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to work Brain Pop today. So Brain Pop's super easy website, and I will show you how to get there. So if you want to type into Brain Pop, go ahead and click that. So while it's loading, so you want to scroll down and hit Social Studies. So Brain Pop's a super easy website. It's more of like a crash course to go over a whole array of subjects. So there's basically a lot of topics that they cover. On this website, you can honestly look over and get key information on a whole list of subjects besides history. So the topic we're going over today is the U.S. history. So if you want to go ahead and scroll down and go ahead and click that. And once you click that, I want you guys to get comfortable with the website and explore. There's a whole lot to look at, but so over here you'll see a lot of important historical figures. If you want to scroll down and find the Articles of Confederation, is what we'll be learning about. So you'll see the movie right over here, and I want you guys to hit watch movie. And after you guys watch that movie, there's a whole list of activities you guys can do to further your understanding on the topic. So the movie, and then there's a quiz just to test your knowledge, and there's a map, a diagram where you can list out the chronological order of how things happened in the movie right over here. There's also a worksheet to do of activities and a graphic organizer too, where you can take notes and vocabulary that you had learned in this movie. And then the games, which is also honestly pretty fun. It'll help you go over the things that you just had learned. But I want you guys to watch that movie and to take the quiz and go over the vocabulary and the graphic organizer. And if you guys are willing to play the game, you guys are more than welcome to. So that way, after you guys had just watched this, it'll basically give you a little bit more background and depth over what you had just watched today. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.